we are talking about backlinks and how to get 2,194, around there, backlinks easily. Backlinks are important for your business. It's all about the SEO, keeping your site looking busy, getting it up those search rankings. You know the importance of them. You might not understand them like I don't really understand them, but we're talking about a product called Linkchest. Now, I'm not going to do a full review of this because at the moment my website is being built, nearly completed, looking good. Phil's.deals coming soon. And as soon as we do, we will try products like Linkchest and see how they go. But I just want to show you how it works. I'm actually going to show you on their website. But let's have a jump in and see just what Linkchest can do. Okay, so this is Linkchest's homepage. And here are the backlinks. And why do we need backlinks? Because backlinks help with the SEO. And this is an easy way to boost your site's Google ranking with 2,194 backlinks. There's backlinks, there's internal links within your own site. And they're all important these days. And yes, the world's gone crazy, but it's all about the SEO. Very popular. 16,000 people use Linkchest. The reason, obviously, I'm making this video quickly now for you is because there is a good deal on it at the moment. Have a look at the link in my description. And I don't want you to miss out on it. I'm probably going to get it now. And once the site is finished, I will be using it because it is a good deal. This quick video basically shows the dashboard of Linkchest. So sorry I'm not showing you the actual dashboard today. But it shows you how you can get set up, create your accounts, and then generate those backlinks. And how it's easy to do. Just go through the process and generate the the backlinks. And it'll tell you when they're approved and how you are going. And that's how it works. And it reckons, because it is complicated to me, I'll be honest. I'm not going to try and pretend I really understand how the backlinking works. But it does say it's the simplest and easiest way to get your linking mission. So don't tell anybody you know. There you go. And it's suitable for the overwhelmed DIY SEO guy, agency directors, and time poor entrepreneurs. That's all of me, isn't it? I think so. So that is Linkchest. This is a short video, not really a full demo or anything like that, but let's just jump out. Okay, so yes, Linkchest seems like a good way to get the deals. It is popular, and there's lots of companies that do use it, and as you can see from their page, just click back quickly. They've got 4.7 out of 5 from 2,000 viewers on the reviews. So give it a try. Have a look at the link in my description. Hopefully that is a good lifetime deal price and you will enjoy using Linkchest.